Absolute Task's purpose is to help multi-unit operators increase efficiency, transparency, and accountability. And we got started when my brother-in-laws approached me about solving some problems in their Little Caesars restaurants. Last summer they came to me and said, hey, we're having a really difficult time managing tasks between our restaurants. Do you know of any applications that we could use that would solve this problem? I did some research and realized there wasn't a solution that quite fit the things that they were looking for. And so I asked them, hey, can we use this problem that you have as an opportunity for me to work on my capstone project for school? I brought in one of my buddies from school, one of my classmates. We spent the fall and winter building out an application to solve these needs for them. And then towards the end of that capstone experience, we decided let's go out and let's see if there's a larger need in the fast food franchising market for a product like this. When we did our capstone project, we were in one Little Caesars unit in Washington State, and then just the beginning of the summer, we put it in another unit as well. So we're in 2 units, and up to this point, we probably logged over 3,000 tasks, I think, between the two units, and they're using it every single day. We want to get this product to a point in the next 2 to 3 years where both my colleague and myself can quit our full-time jobs and do this full-time. BYU's been huge in helping us get to this point. We were worried about building a solution that fit our customers' need, but when we entered the launch pad, our mentors were able to show us, hey, look, you need to take a step back from what you've already built, go back and really understand what the pain points are in this industry. And then once you understand those pain points, you can then go and try to figure out how what you've built aligns with it. But there's a good chance you might have to do something a little bit different. I've been able to talk to different mentors, different founders that have been able to give us insight into their operations, whether they're doing quick serve restaurants themselves, or whether they know people, they'll connect us to those people. We can have conversations to better understand their problems. So, just that network alone is worth a ton.